Let's find.
So the refrigerator was having a problem with tripping circuit breaker. We checked out compressor with the compressor starter kit. Everything seemed to be working. Then I looked up in the freezer. I found the issue. The problem was that the defrost heater was shorted out, which caused the circuit breaker to trip. So now we're waiting for a part, and once we get the part, we'll replace it, and then the repair will be complete. So here's the rest of the video of me going through the whole process.